brilliant promo codes, best discount codes are available to help you save on their interactive learning platform, and here is how to find the best one. So let's get started. First of all, open any web browser on a device. Then once inside the web browser, in the search address bar, type down the brilliant promo codes and tap on the search. Then you can see the first option available there. Simply tap on it and navigate to its official website. Here you'll get to see the list of best promo codes option available. So I'm tapping on the first option since it is the today's best offer, 75% off. Simply tap on it. Now what you need to do is visit the brilliant.org and select the subscription plan you prefer and proceed to the checkout page and enter the promo code in the designated field before completing your purchase. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.